Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Michelle. In this video we are going to talk about the Classroom Dashboard and the instructional media for the instructors. I'm currently on the members website and I'm on the instructors dashboard. You can get to the instructor dashboard by clicking on classes in the top menu, and you can also switch the dashboard view between parent, instructor, and students. So we're going to look from the instructor's view. And here we have a new widget called Instructional Media. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click on a class that you're currently teaching. So we'll go to Adventures in Reading. And we're going to scroll down a bit and you're going to see a new tab here called Instructional Media. The Instructional Media area is a place where you can upload URLs to your live online classes, or you can upload an archived live class that you've done, or maybe you've pre-recorded an instructional video for your students, and this is where you're going to place them. So let me walk you through adding a new media for instructional purposes. So over here on the right hand side it says add new media. We're going to go ahead and click on that, and let's just walk you through this. So the class comes up automatically. We can give it a name, so maybe you're going to do a Zoom class, and when you're in Zoom and you're creating a class that you want to do in the future for live, it'll provide with the URL, whether you're using Zoom or GoToMeeting or some other platform to do your online classes that are live. So you'll go ahead here and you will type in the URL for your online class that you're going to host. Then down here you're going to post the date. So if this is something that's going to be in the future, maybe I'm doing it on the 27th and I'm going to host it at 10 a.m. If you want to create a couple of URLs for upcoming events and you want to hide some of them, you can by putting in a date here to hide from the students. And once that date comes, then the URL will be visible to the students. And then you can come down here and you can describe, the class that you're doing, maybe class week 14. And then click on Add Media at the bottom here. Okay. Then if you have more media, you can continue adding new media over here on the right hand side, or you can go back to your class home page. Let's do that. And we'll scroll down to the Instructional Media tab and open that up again. And then you can see here we have our Zoom class that we created for the 27th at 10 a.m. And here is a live feed video that your students and yourself will click on, or the parents, and it will take them over to the website where you're going to do the live class. We have this feature here also for you and the parents and the students. If you click on this icon to add to the calendar, it will drop down and give you options for you to add it to whatever calendar that you're using. Another feature that we've added to the instructional media is that here with your Zoom class, once you post it, your students really won't know it's there unless they're going online, or your parents. So what you can do is you can click on the email icon and it'll ask, are you sure you wish to immediately email this instructional media to all students, parents, and instructors? So basically it will be announcing it to them that this event is coming up, and then they could come out to their website and they can click on the calendar icon to add it to their calendar. After you're done with your live class, you have the opportunity to save that recording and you can upload it as an archive. So after the 27th, you can go into your Zoom class to edit it, and you can post the archived version here and then save it. And then your students who were not able to make the class will be able to view the archived recording of the class that you hosted. And you can see up here online class that maybe the instructor did prior to test it out, and there's an archive link here that the students and the parents can click on. Now when you are over in the creation side or the editing side for a class, we'll take you over there now. You'll see these icons at the top. If I click on instructional media, you'll see your media for that class. You can change classes here. You do have the ability to delete them. So if maybe you posted something that was incorrect, you could delete it. You could delete it when you're finished with it if you want. Or you can go into the class and you can hide it with a futuristic date if you don't want to delete it, but you just want it to disappear from the class home page. Now let me take you back to the class homepage and talk a little bit about quote unquote resources. So this instructional media tab does not replace the ability that you have to add resources at the top of your homepage or to add resources to current assignments. So maybe you have an assignment, maybe you're doing a science class and you have a lab that they're working on and you want to post a video that goes along with the lab, you would definitely attach that with your class assignment. Or if you have a supply list or you have a syllabus, again, you can attach to the top of your home class page by clicking on your title of the class and then clicking on resources, and this is where you can upload things such as the syllabus or a class supply list. The instructional media has been created to help you organize your online classes when your classes can't meet physically. It's also a place for you to post archived recordings. It's also a great place to post if you are going to have open office hours. So maybe you're a teacher, you might be teaching a high school chemistry class, and you want to give your students an opportunity to call in to a Zoom class or a meeting time, and maybe 1 to 3 once a week you offer this to your students. They could come in, they could talk to you, they can ask Q&A. Another great opportunity to use it. If you do not see the instructional media on your classroom dashboard here, then speak with your administrator because they need to add this to your classroom dashboard. If you have any further questions, please talk to your administrators.